Hi everybody, it's me Aidan, and welcome back to my cooking show, my little chefs. Today, we're going to be making lentil salad. We're going to be turning these lentils, into a salad, using all this. The ingredients that we're using are, most important thing, ready to go lentils. Cucumber! 2 containers of bruschetta, 1 container of feta, 1 container of salt, and 1 container of pepper. And guys, this is super simple. That's all you will need. The items I'm using are a big chef's knife, knife drop. Thank you, Nick Giovanni, for inspiring. Now, we want a spatula, a big cutting board, and a bowl. Now, we want to do our first step. Guys, the first step is opening the box. Rip it. I'm a beast! Now, we want to cut a little slit open for our lentils so we can open it. And now we want to put our lentils in our bowl. Now we have all our lentils and break it up. Guys, look, you see how it's all broken up? Now, guys, we want to take our bruschetta, open up the lid, open it up. Actually, you can't really open it, so just make a little hole so you can rip it. Ooh, guys, this one is juicy. Put it all in. Tomatoes. Bruschetta is basically tomatoes, guys. Now, guys, we want to put in our second box of bruschetta. Put it all in. Now, guys, we want to go over to our sink and wash our cucumbers. But first of all, cut a slit. Cut a slit. Now, guys, we want to go over to our sink and dump it in our strainer. Now, we want to wash our cucumbers. Put on a better mode. That's good. Now, we're going to cut our cucumbers by going like this. Cut it in half once, very carefully. Have an adult supervision. Cut it again. And then cut it one more time like this. Now put your cucumbers in. Make sure they all break up into different pieces. Guys, time for feta. Juicy feta. Throw that away. This is getting really hard to cut. Put our feta in. Put more feta in. Put more feta in. Now we want to grab the salt, sprinkle it all over. Now grab the pepper, sprinkle it all over. Now, guys, finally, for the last step, take our spatula and mix it all up. Now, guys, look, it's done. I might have put a little too much cucumbers, guys. Don't put as much as I put. Because there's like cucumbers galore. Now I want to sprinkle some basil on top. Perfect. I'm putting organic, no salt seasoning. now, since I'm plating it, I want to grab a lemon. Got our lemon squeezer. Now we want to put a half of the lemon in. And then start squeezing all over it. Now guys, to make it super fancy, I'm going to grab a secret ingredient. Lime zest. Lime zest is delicious, guys. Tap it. And guys, finally, one last secret ingredient. The last secret ingredient is tahini. Ta-da! We served our dish. Well, guys, I can't believe we made Aidan's fantastic lentil salad. Now it's time to try it. So good. The tahini and the lemon zest, lime zest, gives it a really good flavor kick. Guys, I have to go in for one more. So good. Subscribe, like, and share. Bye. See you next time. Guys, I'm so excited. I'm filming a brand new series. It's gonna be 50 episodes. Guys, it's time to get it out. Now, guys, get your hot glove and take off the cover. Wow, it smells so good. Look at that, guys. It looks like a sponge cake. Now, guys, we want to put a 1/4 cup of marshmallows inside. Guys, I'm just a kid. Kids make mistakes all the time. Right, guys? Roasted rosemary potatoes, look! Now it's time to mix it up to try. Oh, that's so good. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe.